welcome back to the vlog. I am coming to you today from our hotel room. We are in Dubrovnik in Croatia. This isn't my first time here. If you've been following along, you'll know that Jacob, my boyfriend, and I have been traveling for the past 5-ish months. Like I said, we've already been to Dubrovnik, done the old town, but today we are here for something a lot more exciting. Tomorrow we are starting a yacht sail week around Croatia, which is this is something we have been waiting for so long. Like literally in the early days of planning this trip, we were like talking about the things that were must-dos and things that we had to do on this year-long trip, and one of them was the Sail Croatia. We've done top deck tours before, and Jacob has seen a lot of Europe actually already before even coming on this trip, but one of the main things that both of us really wanted to do was a yacht week. So we're finally doing it. We've finally made it here, and tomorrow is the day. So I'm very excited to bring you guys along for this whole next week. It'll be a lot of fun. Hopefully the weather holds up for us. We are doing this quite late in the year actually. It is like mid-September now, and most people do like these sail yacht weeks, you know, in the middle of summer. I think it is one of like the last like couple weeks that they even run the sail week. They usually all kind of close up by October, which isn't too far away. Like I said, fingers crossed the weather holds up. It's not looking it's not looking like it's going to be the best of weather. It's supposed to be like a little sunny with rain and wind thrown in there, which is not ideal. A, when you want to be swimming all day, and B, when you're sleeping on a yacht at night and it is windy. We could be getting a lot of seasickness, especially if there is a lot of drinking going on throughout the week. So that's not ideal. That's not what we want. But when we went to Switzerland earlier in the year, it was supposed to storm the whole time we were there. And I think it was a little bit rainy on like one of the days, but for most of the time, the weather was beautiful. Like I said, fingers crossed that that is the same case here and we have perfect weather all week. I don't think it's going to be perfect, but you know, as long as we get some sun throughout the week, I will be very happy. So I'll stop blabbering now, because me sitting here on this couch in Dubrovnik is probably not what you want to see coming onto this vlog. And I'll also just add one thing. We booked our trip through MedSailors. We're doing I think it's called the Dubrovnik Croatia Discovery, or Croatia Discovery Dubrovnik, something like that. And it cost us about 1,250 euro each to like book it in, but then there's also some other like hidden costs. At the moment, all we know is that we're gonna have to pay 125 euro each tomorrow when we like board, but other than that we haven't paid anything else, and we're not aware of any other fees that we're gonna have to pay. But I will document my full spending throughout the days, so I'll share all of that with you and like total amount that this cost us at the end of the week, so stick around for that. But I will actually stop blubbering now, and I will catch up with you guys in the morning. Good morning, everyone. It is the day of now. We are starting our Sail Croatia today. We're just in the middle of like packing our bags and whatnot. Jacob's just in the shower. I'm also just doing a last bit of like booking, because we're going to Amalfi next month. So we're booking like our flights and accommodation for all that. But let's go have a look, see if the weather is any good. It like rained all last night, so it wasn't looking too promising, but I'll show you what it's like now. Look at that. Blue skies. Perfect. Hello everyone, hopefully you can hear me okay. I'm down in my room in the boat, but I just wanted to check in. It is Sunday now. We checked in on the boat yesterday, and we like met our group. We've got 7 guests on our boat, and then like the skipper and like a helper, so there's like 9 people total, but 7 guests. And I think that's like been a really good amount, because there's like 2 couples on our boat and there's like 2 double rooms,
and then like 3 smaller rooms, or 4 smaller rooms actually, even maybe. But the 3 other people on the boat have all got like their own rooms, which is really, really good, because there's another boat that's the exact same as this, and some people are sharing like the smaller single rooms, but the people on our boat have their own rooms, which is really, really good. Probably a perk of coming in September, but not so much a perk. It has been quite cold, as you can see. I'm wearing my jacket. Everyone up there is wrapped in blankets or wearing a jacket of some sorts, so that's not super ideal, but you know, we've got to do what we've got to do. But yeah, the first like day has been fun so far. Last night we stopped at an island and we like had like a drink party, and then went out for dinner. I had like a wild boar gnocchi, which was really, really delicious. Apparently they like hunt the boars themselves, like the family that owns the restaurant, and like shoot it with a bow and arrow, which is kind of cool, kind of a bit gruesome, so sorry about that. But yeah, that's what we did last night. Then came back on the boat, had a few more drinks, and then went to bed. Then we woke up this morning. Our skipper had made us like breakfast, like pancakes, which was really nice, and like fruit and stuff, and there was also like cereal, and I don't know, I just had the pancakes and some fruit, and had that for breakfast. Then we stopped, had a little swim, which was actually really nice. Even though it's pretty cold outside, like the water was still pretty good, so not a problem there. But then I've come back in now, gotten changed, and we're like on our way to our lunch spot, so I think we'll be sailing for like the next 2 hours or so. So yeah, that's what we're up to at the moment. I just thought I'd check in. Yeah, it's all pretty good, minus the fact that it's a bit cold, which is a bit shit. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much throughout the week, but I don't know, it's looking a bit 50-50, so I'll check in with you guys again a bit later. I'm going to go back upstairs. Day 3 right now of our sail week, yacht week, whatever you want to call it, and it's actually ended up being a beautiful day today, even though I think it was supposed to like rain. I don't know if I can say the same for tomorrow, but today and yesterday have been absolutely beautiful, beautiful days. Yesterday we had some nice swim spots around. We did a lot of swimming, some diving in the beautiful blue water, and got some photos, which is really nice. And then went to the island of Korcula. We went and did like a wine tasting, and then went out to like a cool rooftop bar, which was like on top of a castle, and the drinks had to be like lifted up to the top of the bar. I can't remember the word right now, but like it was really cool. It was really fun. And then we like went around, Jacob and I had a look around Korcula, then came back to our boat, played some card games with like our crew, and then went out for dinner and had like a night out, which was really fun. Today we've just sailed around. We connected our boat with the other boats that are also sailing like through MedSailors, and swam with them. We had like a paddleboard race too, which Jacob and I actually won. But other than that, it's just been a lot of swimming, a lot of eating, some drinking, and luckily we've had really nice weather so far. I think the end of the week is not looking as good, which is unfortunate, but it's September, so what can we do? I think tonight we're going to another little island. I don't remember what it's called. We'll go get some dinner there, maybe some gelato, and explore that little island.
And that's our plans for the rest of the day. We've already done quite a bit of swimming and all that. So cue the montage for the rest of the day.
Hey everyone, it is Saturday now and our Sail Croatia officially ended yesterday. I am still in Split. We decided to stay an extra day and we're flying out tonight actually. But I just wanted to give a final update on how the trip went. It actually ended up going really, really well. We were quite worried about the weather at the beginning of the week. I don't know if I have a screenshot of how bad it was looking, but it was like rain, storm, rain. But luckily, as you saw, it ended up being like beautiful weather, like most of the days. I think we just had one, like our first full day was like very overcast and very cold, especially with like the winds as we were sailing on the boat. And then on Thursday as well, it like rained a fair bit, which was not good. So those 2 days were kind of a little bit of like half write-offs, at least for the time that we were sailing on the boat, because everyone was just down huddled up in their little cabin rooms. But other than that, like the weather was beautiful. It was as perfect as it could be for like September. Like even yesterday, like the sun was shining. We were out like in the water for ages and then sitting on top of the boat for ages, just like laying in the sun. Like it ended up being beautiful. So very, very happy about that. Also, sorry if I seem very like low energy tired today. It is like not even 7 a.m. at the moment. We've got an 8 a.m. bus to catch this morning, but I wanted to quickly do this update while it's also fresh in my mind. And also, I think both Jacob and I are quite sick now. Like my throat is very sore, so I'm whispering to the max. But anyways, okay. So quick recap on everything that we did. Monday. So it started on Saturday. We went and met at the dock at like 1 p.m, but then we didn't board until 3, and then we started sailing for a few hours, met everyone on our boat, met the crew. We all started talking, and then we played a few like card games, had some drinks, which was really nice, and then we pulled up to an island. I'll put the names of like the islands and stuff that we saw here-ish. I can't remember them all off by heart, but we stopped at an island and then had like a punch party with all the other boats, and then we went out for dinner. This one was the one dinner where it was like kind of pre-planned, and we had to pre-order it while we were on the boat, so everyone in the group went to the same place for dinner, and like we had pre-ordered our meals. So that was like the most expensive one we went to as well, but it was like the first night and it was like everyone together, so that was nice. And the second day was the day that it was a bit overcast, a bit cold, and we started off that day. We went for like a dunk in the water. We had all of our breakfast and lunches made for us on the boat, which was really, really good. Our skipper was actually also previously a chef, so that worked out really well for us. But we had pancakes for that morning. Then we sailed a little bit more, went for another like ocean swim and had like lunch. And then that afternoon we pulled up in Mljet. We all went out for coffee and then hired like bikes and rode throughout the park, which was really cool. And then we came back, had some more drinks on the boat, and then we all went out for dinner at the same place again. But it was like, same as normal going out to dinner. We all ordered our own thing, blah, blah, blah. And then day 3 we went to Korcula. So again, same thing in the morning. Like we kind of had a swim spot, had lunch, had breakfast. That was kind of the same pattern for every day. Like we'd wake up, have breakfast, go drive somewhere, have a swim spot, have lunch, and then kind of move on to the next island that we were going to that night. The third day we went to Korcula. We started that off with a wine tasting, which was like an optional extra activity, but that was really, really nice. And then went up for like another cocktail drink on the roof of another bar in like the old town, and then we all kind of went our own ways. We explored a little bit, then went back to our boat, and then went out for dinner, and then we went out to like the clubs that night. Day 4, all the boats, like we kind of joined together, and we had like a paddleboard race and like I think it's called a raft up or something. So that was really fun. And then that night we went to a very small island that night. Our boat, we all went out for dinner together, so that was nice. And the next day, same thing in the morning, and then we went to Hvar that night. Again, our boat kind of went out for dinner, and then we all went to the clubs. So that was really fun going to Hvar. Highly recommend, even if you're not doing a sail. And then on Thursday, that was like the rainy day, so we had a long sail that morning, like 3 hours. We all kind of just hunkered down in our rooms, and then this plan of the trip kind of changed a bit because of the weather. We all ended up going to Split, and then so we had a fair bit of time to like explore Split, which I'd been to before, but that's fine. And then we all came back on the boat, had a few more drinks, like, you know, had our goodbye speeches and whatnot. And then some people went out to the club, some people just kept drinking on the boat. We just stayed on the boat. And then yesterday morning was just like very chill but very nice. We had breakfast, sailed a bit, and then went and kind of all docked together again and just had like a couple hours, I think it was. We all went for a swim, paddleboard, laid on the front of the boat. Just really a nice last day. And then we arrived back in Trogir and then kind of all went our own ways from there, which was very sad, but you know, a lovely end to the week. It was like perfect, like the best weather yesterday. But yeah, so that was the whole week, and it was really, really, really fun, really good. Yeah, and I can't believe it's already over. Like it's already all done. Like it's literally Saturday again now. And finally, I just wanted to give the update on how much we spent. There were actually like no hidden like fees that we had to pay. I've heard like for Sail Croatia and things like that, there are some hidden fees. I've heard people say, I don't know if you have to pay them, but like there's a lot of extras that maybe you're not aware of beforehand. But for our one, the only one was the port fees, but they kind of like highlight that in the initial, you know, when you sign up to it. So that was €125 each. And the only other thing that we like had to pay was like one water taxi, and that was to Hvar, and that was €20 each. So total, the only like extras that we had to pay were €145 each. But then like the extras that we also like paid for activities throughout the week was one, the bike riding through the national park. That cost us €37 each because it was €12 to hire the bike and €25 to enter the park. And then also we paid €25 for the wine tasting each. So I also kept track of like everything else that we spent throughout the week, including dinners, drinks, all of that, and including that like port fees and the taxi and like the park and all of that. We ended up spending a total of €866 for the whole week, including everything. So like €433 each, which I guess is a lot, but also we were prepared to expend a lot more, so that was kind of good for us. And including like our initial fee that we paid, it ended up being €1,682 each is what it ended up costing, like total, including the initial like booking of like the week itself, which was €1,249, I think. So hopefully that all matched up, but that's how much we spent total. So a very expensive week in like the scheme of things, but I think we ended up not spending too much. Like it could have been a lot more. But anyways, that is the end of my update for our sail week. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it's giving you some insight into what a sail week, especially with MedSailors, would look like. We had a lot of fun. Highly recommend. Would maybe recommend doing it earlier in the season if you have the opportunity, but as you've seen, we did it in mid-September and it wasn't like too cold. We just had a few bad weather days, but they're running it again this week, and I'm pretty sure it's meant to be sunshine all week, so maybe even doing it later in September isn't the worst idea. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. If you want to keep following along on the rest of my travels, please feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much. Bye.